Da, 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 da.
Oh shit, his ears must came out.
I had the deadener with 1 layer of 3/4. It did well for 2 subwoofers. Added another layer of birch when I added the 3rd subwoofer. It improved a bit, but still losing energy. My roof is split in 2 spots. Now I have 2 dents where my brace anchors. Ready for the next step. Plan so far is to add a steel plate to the roof and box tubing for the new brace.
Alright, so here's what I'm thinking so far. I done gained a whole lot of space in this cabin, and I want to try to keep as much space in here as I can. I got a piece of 1/4 inch that I got up here, kind of wedged in between my A-pillar. What I'm going to do is I want to fill this all in with something high strength, maybe PL 8X. I got 2 of these 1/4 inch pieces of steel. So I'm gonna slide the first one all the way in to about right here, so that it makes contact with the adhesive on the top and up in here, so it kind of forms like a sandwich. And then I'm gonna take the second one and have it somewhere in this area right here and leave it as is. The one that will be right here, slid in further, I'm gonna weld it to this piece right here, and then this piece right here, I'm gonna slide it and make it connect. And I'm gonna put a couple of welds in it, and then I'm gonna weld the corners right here and right here. So all this is filled in, all the way to where the windshield actually has a flange. So that should help it a lot. Up here, same thing, steel going across. I'm gonna have it connect on both ends, welded in, and then all this in between, it's gonna be prepped, primed, and some type of adhesive. Back here, it's gonna be a 4x4 post. I'm gonna cut an angle on it, and I'm gonna have it, well, it's not gonna come this far out unless I get a 6x6, but it'll come up, out, and then at an angle. I'm gonna keep these 2 bolts, anchor my plate back up, and then where I had that wooden pole, it's gonna be a 1-inch steel tube, box tube, that I got that I anchor into the bottom of the box. So yeah, that's pretty much my plan.
I have to work on that AI voice. I sound country as heck. Peace and bass, y'all.